Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Honda 42710-VE2-M02ZE HRT216 HRR216 HRS216 rear wheels, RR. These rear wheels are just what you need to ensure your lawn mower keeps running smoothly and efficiently. They are specifically designed for the HRT216, HRR216, and HRS216 models and come in a convenient pack of 2 for easy replacement. The last thing you want is to be struggling with a lawn mower that's not performing at its best, especially during the peak mowing season. That's why these rear wheels are a game changer. They're made with durable materials and engineered to withstand the rigors of regular lawn mowing, so you can trust that they'll last for the long haul. Not only that, but they also feature the classic Honda quality and design, so you can rest assured that you're getting a product that's built to perform. With these rear wheels, you'll be back to effortlessly maneuvering your lawn mower across your yard in no time. So, if you're ready to take your lawn care game to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to grab your own pack of Honda 42710-VE2-M02ZE rear wheels. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more reviews and tips on keeping your outdoor equipment in top shape.